Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 5G with 10.5-inch display unveiled in South Korea. Samsung on Wednesday said it will launch a 5G tablet in South Korea on Thursday, what it calls the world's first 5G tablet. The Galaxy Tab S6 5G, the world's first 5G tablet, will go on sale for 999,900 Korean won, roughly 60,500 rupees, in the domestic market on Thursday, according to Samsung. The company has yet to unveil a launch schedule for the product outside home turf, Yonhap news agency reported. Samsung announced the January 30th launch date in a press release, where it also detailed some specifications of the tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 5G weighs 420 grams, comes with a 10.5-inch Super AMOLED display, AKG-tuned quad speakers with Dolby Atmos support, apart from an S Pen stylus. The model sold in South Korea will have 128 GB of storage and will come in mountain gray. Other specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 5G include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC, 6 GB of RAM, and a 7040 mAh battery. Samsung has been working to expand its 5G portfolio to lead the global market. The company currently sells Galaxy 5G devices that include the Galaxy S10 5G, Note 10 5G and A90 5G smartphones. In 2019, Samsung was the No. 2 player in the global 5G smartphone market with a 35.8% share, with shipments of 6.7 million 5G smartphones worldwide, according to data from market research.